Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today I will show you how to make paper soap. It is very easy to make, even a child can make it, and it is very useful in traveling. It does not need any space. You can keep it even in your pocket. If you don't have paper soap, if you use normal soap, they are bulky and they become wet after using, and they are difficult to keep them back. For paper soap, you can use one strip at a time, other strip other time, so you can avoid any infection by reusing them. Friends, let's start the process. Friends, I will show you the raw materials first. See, this is SLES, easily available in the industrial chemical shops. See, this is fragrance. You can take any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance should be water based. This is color. You can take any color. Color is optional. You can take any color, liquid color or color which is in powder form. Friends, I have taken SLES. Now I am adding fragrance in it. Then mix it properly. Mixing is very important. After mixing, it is ready to use. I am not using color in it. Now friends, let's start. For that, I have taken a simple paper. You can take any paper which is a little bit thick. You can take butter paper also. Now I am applying SLES on it. Please apply properly and evenly on the paper. Apply SLES on both sides of your paper. Now both sides are completed. Now you can dry it on the plastic sheet like this. After drying one side, turn it and dry it on the other side. Or you can dry it on the hanger as I am showing you. The paper should be straight and you can dry it in shade or even in sun. See the result after drying. Then you can fold it and cut it according to your size. So I am folding it and now I am cutting it. Cut it from this side also. Then take some thick paper for the cover and put the paper inside it. Then staple it properly. Your paper soap is ready. Isn't it easy? Now I am demonstrating you how it works. See the result. So friends, can you see? It is so easy to make. You can make it for your personal use and you will love it. And also you can save your money. Friends, the demand of paper soap is very high in the market. So you can do business of paper soap also. It is a very profitable business. First, start this business from your home by manually making it. Then, if your business increases, you can take machines. Many types of machines are available in the market: automatic, semi-automatic. I am showing you one machine in this video. Let's go. Friends, do you like my video? If you do, please press the like button to motivate me, and please do share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Press that bell. After pressing bell, you will see three options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.